Hello and welcome to ITC Tech Share. I'm Tom Grissom. Today I would like to get started with a brand new OneNote notebook. Every new semester I start a shared OneNote notebook to share some of the demos, projects, and presentations that we do here at the ITC. So to show you how easy it is, let's go ahead and go to the Eastern Illinois University website. It's eiu.edu/ITC. Got a little video pre-roll going here. But if you notice up in the upper right hand corner, you just zoom in here, you will see a link to Panther Mail. If I click on the Panther Mail link, let me just zoom back out. If I click on the Panther Mail link, this will take you to our Office 365 login, what we call as Panther Mail, which is really Outlook. But let me just go ahead and log in with my Eastern ID and password. And once I log in, that will take me to the apps splash screen. So here you can see just a few of the apps that we have available here at EIU. Now, of course, 9 times out of 10, our students are probably going to go to Outlook and check their email and things. But Office 365 is so much more than Outlook. So every new semester, I like to start a OneNote notebook. So I'm going to go to OneDrive, which is, think of it as file storage or a hard drive in the cloud. And I'm going to go down, I have things organized by academic year. I'm going to go down to my new folder, AY 1819, and then I've already created a subfolder called OneNote Notebooks. If I go into that folder, being organized, I just find that this helps me every semester be able to organize things. So you can see I already have one OneNote notebook already created, but let's go ahead and create the one that we're going to share today. So I'm going to go up here and click on the New button. Go down to OneNote Notebook, and it's asking me to give it a name. So let's call this ITC Fall 2018 Semester. ITC Fall 2018 Semester. Double check, make sure your spelling and everything's correct. It is, so I'm going to go ahead and say create. It's going to create that notebook into that subfolder, and it's going to open it up in OneNote Online. And that quickly, we have our notebook. So let's just go ahead and give this page a name. And then you can see over on the left-hand side over here, it says Untitled section. Since it's newly created, it didn't know what to call that. So let's right-click on that and rename. And let's call this About. All right. So here we have the basic structure of a OneNote notebook. Think of it as a digital 3-ring binder. We have sections in the first column and pages in the second column. Let's just go ahead down at the bottom here. Let's just create another section, and let's call this Demos and Presentations. So I do a lot of those throughout the semester, and this is kind of my reference for faculty, staff, and students. Whenever I do a presentation, I can provide the resources here and then just add to it every time I do a demo or a presentation, and students know exactly where to go. So we'll call this Demos and Presentations. We'll say OK, and you can see now I have a second section. These are like tabs in a physical 3-ring binder, except now we're using a digital version of that. So that's it. That's how easy it is to create your first OneNote notebook here at EIU. In the next video, I will show you how to create a share link so that you can share this notebook with the world. Until next time, this is Tom Grissom. Keep on learning.